Here are the top 5 motorbikes in the world with details. Number 5. Ducati Panigale V4. It comes with a 1,103cc engine, producing over 210 horsepower. It's famous for speed, sound, and racing performance. Number 4. BMW S1000RR, a 999cc superbike known for advanced technology, stability, and aggressive design. Number 3. Yamaha YZF-R1, powered by a 998cc engine inspired by Motog racing, perfect balance of power and control. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2, a supercharged 998cc engine producing insane speed and power. This bike is built for pure adrenaline. And number 1. Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade, a race-ready machine with extreme precision, reliability, and championship-level performance. These bikes are not just machines, they are legends on two wheels.